Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, HD radio, remote keyless entry. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.